In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign into your Trello account step by step. Whether you're brand new to Trello or you already created an account and just need help logging in, this guide will walk you through the entire process using Trello and Atlassian. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and easy-to-follow software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Trello.com. You can type it directly into the address bar and press enter. Once the page loads, you'll land on Trello's homepage. If you're new and need to create an account, look for the button that says Sign Up, It's Free. You'll usually see it clearly displayed on the homepage. Click inside the email field and enter the email address you want to use for your Trello account. After entering your email address, click on the Sign Up, It's Free button to continue. Trello is part of Atlassian, so you'll be redirected to the Atlassian sign-up page. On the Atlassian page, click on the Sign Up button to proceed with creating your account. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may include confirming your email address. Now, if you already have a Trello or Atlassian account and simply want to sign in, the process is very similar. Go to Trello.com and click on the Login option instead of signing up. You'll be redirected to the Atlassian login page. On the login screen, click on the password field and enter the password associated with your account. Make sure you type it correctly, paying attention to capital letters and special characters. Once you've entered your password, click on the Login button. If your email and password are correct, you'll be signed in and redirected to your Trello dashboard, where you can see your boards, create new ones, and manage your projects. If you prefer not to use an email and password combination, Trello also gives you the option to continue with Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack. On the Login or Sign Up page, simply click on your preferred provider and follow the prompts to authenticate your account. This can be faster and more convenient, especially if you're already signed in to one of those services on your browser. And that's it. That's how you sign into your Trello account using the Atlassian login system. As you can see, the process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.